How's it going, man? Hello? You're muted.
Hello?
What's up, bro?
Yeah, what's up, man?
All
I've been
right.
following you for a while. It's good to be on here.
Appreciate that. Do you acknowledge that this is live and I can use the clips however I choose?
Yes, sir.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking, to find new girls to talk to. I need the skills, so and I think you got them, man. I'm trying to look smacks too.
Where you calling from?
I'm calling from New York, so
Are you in your mom's like basement or something?
yeah, I'm in my mom's basement right now.
Interesting. All right. New York is a tough place. 21-year-old. What do you do for money?
Yeah, I work as a hotel concierge, serviceman.
In Manhattan or where? Oh, I know what happened to him. I don't want to create a max exodus from New York, but I don't think New York is the best place to live, in my opinion. In my opinion, is it you for the shit you're getting, the amount of money it's gonna take? I don't know. I think his camera disconnected.
There we go. We're back.
Yeah. So you hotel concierge?
Yeah, that's right.
In Manhattan, or where you doing it at?
It's in Manhattan.
Okay, your Wi-Fi in your mom's basement is pretty tough. Listen, the ladder you're gonna have to climb in New York is gonna be super tough. I'm not really a big fan of you guys living in New York, because how are you gonna get some ass? How?
I plan on moving out in the future.
Right, it's gonna take you a minute. How much money are you making a month right now? It's gonna take you a minute. How much money are you making right now?
Right now, about 3,000 or no 4,000 without tips.
Yeah, it's 4,000 without tips.
Yeah.
Okay. The thing about New York is $4,000. You're still suffering. I think, like,
yeah, I got help from my mom, so it's a little easier.
Why don't you just move somewhere else? What's the fucking point of suffering for no reason? What do you get from living in New York? What do you get from living in New York? Aside from high taxes and unbelievably expensive place for no reason. What's the benefit?
The subway is good, I like the subway.
Right. You wouldn't need a fucking subway if you $4,000 a month. You can afford a decent car. If you live somewhere else,
I could probably get a Tonka with that.
You could get a what?
A Tonka.
I don't know what that is, but listen. What skills are you working on right now?
Right now, looking on like skills maxing, like looks maxing.
What skills are you working on, sir? Not skill maxing. What are you trying to learn to become a better man?
Looking better, gaining like the skills.
I meant finances.
Oh, finances. Oh, I'm looking to go to school actually.
School for what?
So I'm working right now. Become a accountant.
Accountant?
That's right.
Are you gonna go to school in New York?
I might move somewhere else. Become accountant.
Okay. At what point are you gonna start this? You're already 21.
Whenever I save enough money.
I mean, you plan on paying for your whole college tuition yourself?
I get help from my parents, but I plan on paying at least half of it.
Okay. To get an accounting degree, I could do accounting right now. I don't think I will go to school for no damn accounting. That'd be a waste of money. I'm telling you. Accountants, unless you're like a high level CPA, even then, like AI will be able to do that shit.
Okay, what do you recommend?
Some kind of either you learn some kind of service you can provide, or you get one of these careers where like the human being will be replaced live, like a doctor, lawyer, healthcare specialist, all right, even like personal services. Those things, in my opinion, will last a lot longer because they're not. So this is the thing. I keep telling you guys about AI. AI is going to replace all the lazy people. So if you have like a mediocre skill level job, you are not safe at all. You need to be a high level person for your career to be safe.
All right.
So if you're going to go back to school or you're going to go to school, I wouldn't be going to school for anything other than something super high level.
Okay, so like a neurosurgeon.
Even something, not even, doesn't have to be that extreme, but I'm talking about something where you're not going to be replaced that quickly. Okay.
I understand.
So don't go to school. I would not go to school in 2025. I would not go to school for them damn accounting. No chance. That shit. I can literally I can go on the AI service right now and get my books done. Fuck no. You're gonna be without a job. All right, man.
All right.
All right, man. Yeah, looks maxing. I didn't give you the looks maxing. Do you want some looks maxing advice?
Yeah, that would be. I would appreciate that actually.
Can you stand up? Let's see what the physique looks like.
All right. Take off my shirt.
Yeah, just the shirt. Keep the pants on.
All right. Are you sure not the pants?
What do you do?